Doğru. Today we are going to have a look at aluminium titanate. Aluminium titanate is a ceramic compound which is made of aluminium oxide and titanium oxide. It's used in foundry industry. We prefer that material in foundry industry because of its very good properties. Now let's talk about that properties. Before that, I would like to show that a chemical compound. Our chemical formula, you can see that one from some sources, or that one. They means the same. Here oxygen 5, that means oxygen 3 and oxygen 2. If you sum up, so you can write it like that as well. As for our properties, it has high or thermal or excellent thermal shock resistance, very high. High corrosion resistance. High corrosion resistance. Low wettability. Low wettability. Longer operating life. 5. Low thermal conductivity. Now I wrote here 5 properties. Thermal shock resistance, high thermal shock resistance. That means when it's exposed by hot environment, it is strong enough against to this hot environment because of the high or excellent thermal shock resistance. And secondly, it has very good corrosion resistance because of the chemical compound O and low wettability. Because when it has low wettability, that means there is less diffusion. If there is less diffusion, that means there is less corrosion. So longer life or longer operating life, because of these good properties, it is used for a long time. So it has longer operating life. And the low thermal conductivity. That means we can save the energy, we can keep the hot environment inside the, for example, molten pot. So because of having these properties, guys, we prefer aluminium titanate. For example, here one commercial aluminium titanate content. For example, I saw this from a British company, such as their chemical content like aluminium oxide, that must be that's my habit because of being Turkish. Titanium oxide, 38%, and silicium oxide, 3%, and left. So that's one of the commercial aluminium titanate you can see in the market, on the market. 58% aluminium oxide, 38% titanium oxide, and 2% silicium oxide. Now let's make it clear. Such as, imagine a molten pot. This is our molten pot. And we used aluminium titanate in our molten pot, like to protect it from hot environment. This aluminium titanate When you pour hot metal, molten metal, so temperature will be increasing in a short time. So at that point we need a material which must have very high thermal shock resistance or very low wettability, because when molten metal touch our surface, such as molten metal, that's our surface. When it touches our surface, so if it is a wettable material, we might come across with corrosion problem or something like that.